Fatigue. We often think of fatigue as being physically tired, when your body is tired, or you've worked out, or you want to lie down and have a nap. But we can experience both physical and cognitive fatigue after a brain injury. Cognitive fatigue can feel like your brain just isn't keeping up, or is at a loss of energy. Signs of cognitive fatigue can be when you have to reread the same paragraph in your book 3 times and it just isn't sticking. Or you hit a wall when concentrating. You might find yourself making more mistakes in your work and are having greater difficulty correcting them. Or you're trying to explain yourself and just can't find your words anymore. Cognitive fatigue can be caused by anything that makes your brain work. Listening, reading, concentrating, talking, multitasking, even blocking out distractions. Some people say, "I don't feel tired," and so try to push through their cognitive fatigue. But what your brain really needs is a break. There are many ways to manage cognitive fatigue. The main idea is to be mindful of your brain's energy levels and the energy it takes to complete daily activities. Planning and pacing your activities is key. We talk about this important strategy in our next section. Other useful ways to manage fatigue are to modify your environment to make it more energy efficient. So reduce clutter and make it easier to move around to find things. Put important objects that you use a lot close at hand, and always put things back in the same place. Try to be aware of your best hours, when you have the most energy, and plan to accomplish your more demanding and most important tasks during your best hours. Many people find they have the most energy in the morning, but are exhausted by the end of the day. If this is the case, try to tackle projects such as your banking, sorting through important mail, or studying in the morning rather than in the evening. Schedule rest periods and breaks as needed. Rest does not necessarily mean nap, and can mean different things for different people. For some, sitting quietly, making a cup of tea, going for a walk, or taking a break to stretch can be re-energizing. For others, a change in activity can mean a break, such as taking a break from studying to fold laundry, which can be less cognitively demanding. Be mindful that reading, engaging in conversation, and watching television all require mental energy and are not necessarily restful. And remember, maintain good sleep hygiene and exercise daily as tolerated to give yourself a good baseline energy level.